Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add the border in text box in Microsoft Excel. So get ready started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then I show the Excel document from the text box. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click with the text box option. Then create from the text box. This then I show the text box is the correct. This text box is the background color from the format menu option. Now click with the shape fill option. Then it is color and add the border in text box. Now going to the shape outline option. Now click with the then it is color. So again shape outline. Then click with the edit option. Click on it. Then I show the add border text box in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.